Welcome to a market update for Loudoun County for the month of April. We will start with the whole county and then break it down by zip code for Ashburn.
So in April, Loudoun County saw 611 new listings, which is up 38.9% month over month, also up 37% year over year.
532 properties went under contract last month, which is up 32.7% month over month and up 23.1% year over year.
401 properties closed in April, which is up 40.7% month over month and up 13% year over year.
The median sold price is $810,000, which is up 8% month over month and up 8% year over year.
The average days on market is 18 days.
And the average sold to original list price ratio is 101%. So good numbers for sellers.
Stay tuned. We'll talk about zip code 20147. Ashburn zip code 20147 saw 103 new listings, which is up 37.3% month over month and up 43.1% year over year. So spring market is definitely happening in Ashburn.
There were 77 properties that went under contract last month, which is up 24.2% month over month and down 1.3% year over year.
63 properties closed in April, which is up 40% month over month and up 21.2% year over year.
The median sold price was $773,254, which is up 2.1% month over month and up 12.5% year over year.
Average days on market is 9.
The average sold to original list price ratio is 102.4%. It's like, wow, sellers are really getting their ask plus some. Next, we'll go through 20148.
In Ashburn 20148, we saw 103 new listings in March, which is up 32.1% month over month and up 3% year over year, which is not a lot.
75 properties went under contract, which is up 1.4% month over month and up 2.7% year over year.
63 properties closed in March, which is up 80% month over month and up 21.2% year over year.
The median sold price was $809,160, which is flat month over month and up 5.8% year over year.
Average days on market is 20.
And the average sold to original list price ratio is 100.2%. So still getting their ask plus a little. But the spring market's here, so don't wait, give us a call. We're the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County.